This is the new craze. Oh, spinning. Waste it. Why are you talking about booty? Hey everyone. So today, a few of my friends and I decided to hike up Vivian Creek Trail right here. And we are staying at Halfway Camp. So it's about like mid-70s right now. It's pretty warm, the sun's beating down pretty hard, and we had to park in town because there was no parking up here, but should be fun. You guys ready?
Straight back, high knees, use your tip toes.
This guy just say high knees?
High knees.
Why are you talking about booty?
I love booty.
Booty.
Down, but
Yeah.
next tree.
All right, everyone. So we are at our river crossing over here. River crossing.
Telling me that it's like 36 degrees? Oh shit.
We are making our way up this incline, and if you've been on this trail, you know how much of an incline this incline is. It is pretty tough. Having fun?
No.
Having fun?
Red flowers. It's pretty.
I'm just gonna get like a video editor so I could put like the wasted thing and edit onto Cody right now. Like Grand Theft Auto style. What's denial? Isn't that a river in Africa? So we are not even halfway up this incline, and it's fun. Good times.
50 pounds on it.
50 pounds, you know, check out this is the new craze. You carry 2 backpacks. That way you have a choice between shelters. So I could choose between which tent I want or sleeping pad.
And roll down the hill.
And roll. Who needs walking down a hill when you can roll? I'm pretty much like a perfect circle right now. Good times. We are definitely savoring all the shade because there's like not much. Hey Cody, how you doing? He's doing good. Finally made it. Now we just got to make it to halfway camp. So this is the first campground on this trail. We're not staying here. That's where we're going. So we took a break and now we are on our way to halfway camp, and can't wait to just set up and eat a lot of food because I am hungry. Decided to take just a little break here. Camp is just up around the corner. Wait for my friends to catch up, and man, it was a pretty tough trail. And after not hiking for a while, it definitely kicked all of our asses for sure. But can't wait to get into camp, set up everything, and just relax. It's kind of crazy. Last time I came here it was in fall, and there was no water running through here, at least not like this. That's pretty good in case we need to refill up on water. I was kind of worried about that, but we are good for water. Finally made it to halfway camp, and hopefully there's a spot. Looks like there's a bit of snow over there, but I don't think there's snow on the actual campsite. Looks like we got the campsite to ourselves for now. That's amazing. Dudes, this is awesome. Yeah, right here. Huh. I could have. I can't be the MVP today, though.
You already are.
Thank you.
You're MVP of all time.
Aren't you happy there's no one here yet? We get the pick of the litter, and there's snow. Just setting up camp. I got the Sierra Designs. Cody's got a Kelty. Cody got that Kelty. And Matt's setting up another Sierra Designs tent. And reading instructions. POV. Good morning, everyone. Last night was pretty strange. It was just completely quiet. My friends and I are actually the only people in this campground, which is pretty cool. So we had the entire place to ourselves, and we could set up wherever we wanted. I think that was probably the first time I've been camping when there were no other groups of people around, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, completely quiet, but now all the birds are up and chirping and stuff, so it's just about 6 o'clock right now. Everyone's still sleeping, so I'll probably lay down for a bit more until they wake up. Alright, so we're just gonna go pick up the food bags and bag and food bear canister and stuff, because it's still hanging and I'm hungry, and yeah, food.
Most successful bear hang yet.
The only successful one yet. So we got everything packed up and we're gonna head out.
So optimistic.
Should be nice. Hey, collecting rocks isn't part of your base weight, since it's a consumable.
Yeah.
You eat rocks, right? So halfway camp is actually really nice.
Get it?
High Creek camp. Did I catch it? I catch it on camera?
No.
Aww. But yeah. Halfway camp. Not technically halfway, but there's no one there, so that's pretty cool. And apparently I'm afraid of raccoons, so.
Apparently we all are.
Yeah. Seeing eyes at night that were probably raccoons.
In the pitch dark without a fire.
Yeah, it was pretty dark, but that was cool. 10 out of 10 would do again. So note to self, definitely bring chapstick, even if you probably won't need it, and a nice Dr. Pepper or any kind of carbonated soda would definitely be a luxury item worth bringing, especially when your friend brings one and makes you kind of jealous. So the best thing about hiking this trail is going down, because literally it goes one way up and one way down. And going down's a lot quicker, a lot less strenuous. Sometimes. I'm pretty happy with how it went. Got to test out some new layering stuff and worked surprisingly well. It only got down to like 44 degrees at the coldest, but I'm pretty bad in colder temperatures, so it was good that the layering system that I brought worked. I didn't even have to wear my puffy jacket. Trying to get all my good shots in right now because yesterday I was just dying coming up here. It's warmer than expected, and man, just inclines and stuff in general. I need to work out. This area is so pretty. Look at how green it is. What, Matt?
Be a deer and give out water.
Oh yeah. Show me the way. I think that there's probably going to be even more spiders in there.
Do you think she got hit by lightning?
I think someone tried to have, yes.
And it's still alive because this little homie's supporting him.
Yep. That's what good friends do.
Even though he's dead.
I'm dead inside. Why don't you guys support me? Huh?
You support the other people because the dead person supports the live guy.
But
You're dead inside, you gotta support somebody else.
I'm so confused right now.